Hello, my name is Colin Ferguson, and here is my screen-o-matic video for my individual assignment in week 6 of Elements of Learning Experience Design. To start, what is the purpose, goals, and aims of my design? Well, locked away in my head is a sizable instructional design project intended to support creating a network of cooperative organizations. Like many other designers, converting my ideas into solvable problems constantly plagues me. However, this course has helped me narrow some of my ideas into coherent steps with clear beginning, middle, and end. But before I describe my project for this course, I want to step back and explain the larger vision for a bit. In 2016, I began my ride-sharing career driving for Lyft, and soon after that, in 2017, I started for Uber. I thought ride-sharing was my ticket to becoming an entrepreneur. However, after carefully reviewing my contracts with the gig work unicorns, I realized I was on a dead-end path. I wish I had learned that before buying a car, but I believed in the promises Uber and Lyft have promoted heavily and consistently since their foundings. Alas, I have concluded that Uber and Lyft's choice to make drivers independent contractors was just so that they could avoid paying employment taxes. Just like many other corporations, they only care about profits, and they will do so at the expense of the entire economy if necessary. Nevertheless, I have dedicated my graduate and continuing education to create a platform that truly lifts all boats.